Welcome to the Easy English Cast. Let's learn English together. Enjoy your podcast.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our challenge. It's great to have you here. Today is a special day. Welcome to day 14 of our 30-day English challenge.
Day 14 already? Wow. Time flies when you're learning.
It really does, Ava. And we have a new adventure for you and all our listeners. Today, we're going to the train station.
Oh, a train station. That sounds exciting.
It is. We'll learn useful words and phrases for travel. Are you ready for this?
Yes, I think so.
Great. So, imagine you are there at the train station. What do you see first?
Maybe people? Lots of people moving.
Yes, people are important. And trains, of course. We'll talk about tickets too.
Tickets. I need those.
Don't worry, we'll help. Let's start with a common phrase. When you arrive, you might ask, "Where's the train?" Perfect. For example, where's the train to London?
Oh, that's a good question, Andrew.
Yes, I need to go to London.
I traveled by train last week.
Really? Where did you go?
I want to visit my sister.
That's nice. Was it far?
Yes, it was a few hours.
So, you were at a train station?
Yes, I was. It was busy.
Lots of people?
Yes, many people. And sounds.
What kind of sounds?
Loud announcements.
Ah, the announcements.
Yes. I didn't understand them.
That's okay. We're learning. A useful phrase is, "Excuse me."
Excuse me.
You can say this to ask someone. Like, "Excuse me, where is the platform?"
Ah, I see. So, I can say excuse me to people.
Yes, to ask for help.
What if I need to buy a ticket?
You go to the ticket office.
Ticket office.
Or sometimes, there are machines.
Machines to buy tickets?
Yes, it's often faster.
Faster. I like faster.
Right. So, Ava, where are you going today?
Today, I'm going to visit my sister.
Oh, nice. And where does your sister live?
She lives in the city.
The city. Okay.
Yes, the big city.
So, do you know how to ask where someone wants to go?
No. How?
You can ask, "Where do you want to go?"
Where do you want to go?
Exactly. That's a very good question to ask.
Where do you want to go?
Yes. For example, I can ask you, "Ava, where do you want to go today?"
I want to go to the park.
The park. That sounds fun.
Yeah.
So, you're going to visit your sister. Is her house far from the station?
Yes, it's a little far.
I see. Do you take a bus?
No, I take a train.
Ah, a train. Like we are talking about. Good. So, where do you want to go?
I want to go to the city.
To the city to see your sister.
Yes.
That's perfect. Do you need anything else at the station?
Maybe a ticket.
Right. We can talk about tickets next.
Okay.
But first, where are you going?
I'm going,
What's your destination?
My destination is my family.
Oh, that's nice. You're visiting your family.
Yes. I visit my family.
Great. So, your destination is to visit your family.
My destination is to visit my family.
Perfect.
Is that a common phrase?
Yes, it is. People often say, "I'm going to visit my family."
I'm going to visit my family.
Exactly. Or, my destination is my family's house.
My destination is my family's house.
Good.
So, destination means where I go?
Yes. It's the place you want to reach.
The place I want to reach.
Right. So, Ava, what is your destination today?
My destination today is to see my mom and dad.
Wonderful. That's a lovely destination.
Thank you, Andrew.
You're welcome. So, we know your destination. Now, tickets.
Tickets? Yes.
You need a ticket.
To go on the train.
That's right.
Where do I buy it?
At the station.
Oh, okay.
There's a ticket office.
Ticket office.
Yes. Or a machine.
A machine?
Yeah. It's easy.
I see.
You want to buy a ticket.
Yes, I do.
You can say, "One ticket, please."
One ticket, please.
Good. For example, "One ticket to London, please."
Okay.
Or maybe you need 2 tickets.
2 tickets.
Then you say, "2 tickets, please."
2 tickets, please.
Perfect. What if you want to go to Paris?
Paris.
You'd say, "One ticket to Paris, please."
One ticket to Paris, please.
Exactly. So, Ava, you want to buy a ticket.
Yes, I'm ready.
Great. Imagine we are at the counter now.
Okay, I see.
The person behind the glass.
The ticket seller?
Yes. They say, "Next, please."
Next, please.
What do you say?
I want a ticket.
Right. You can say, "One ticket, please."
One ticket, please.
Perfect.
And where to?
We talked about this. Remember your destination?
Oh, yes. To the city center.
So, you say, "One ticket to the city center, please."
One ticket to the city center, please.
Very good.
Is that all?
Almost. You need to say your destination.
My destination.
Yes. Like, "A ticket to London, please."
A ticket to London, please.
Exactly. Now, for our trip.
So, one ticket to the city center, please.
That's it.
What next?
They will ask you for the date.
The date?
Yes. For today, they might ask.
For today?
And you say, "Yes, please."
Yes, please.
You're doing great.
Thanks, Andrew.
So, you are at the ticket counter now,
Yes.
and you want to buy a ticket.
Right.
What do you say first?
Hmm.
You need to ask for the ticket. The most important phrase is "one ticket to."
One ticket to.
Yes. Then you say the city.
Okay.
For example, "One ticket to London, please."
One ticket to London, please.
Perfect.
It's easy.
It is. What if you want 2 tickets?
2 tickets to London?
Exactly. Or maybe 1 ticket to Paris.
One ticket to Paris, please.
Very good.
So, after one ticket to, I say the city name.
That's it. And add "please."
It's polite.
It is. It's very important.
I see.
So try again. 1 ticket to Rome.
One ticket to Rome, please.
Fantastic, Ava.
So, I say one ticket to.
Yes. That's the key phrase.
One ticket to.
Good. Now, add where you want to go.
One ticket to London, please.
Perfect. You've got it.
It's easy.
Let's try another.
Okay.
You want to go to Paris.
One ticket to Paris, please.
Excellent, Ava.
What if I want 2 tickets?
Ah, good question. You say 2 tickets to.
2 tickets to.
Yes. And then the place.
2 tickets to Rome, please.
You're brilliant.
This is useful.
It really is.
So, for 1 ticket.
Yes,
1 ticket to place, please.
exactly.
I can use this.
You definitely can.
Thank you, Andrew.
My pleasure, Ava.
I'm ready for more.
Great. So, you have your ticket.
Yeah, I do.
Now, you need to know when the train leaves.
Oh, right. The time.
Exactly. You can ask, what time is the train?
What time is the train?
Good. For example, what time is the train to London?
Ah, I see.
Or, you can ask about a specific train.
Like, when does the train to Paris leave?
Very close. Let's keep it simple for now.
Okay.
Just, what time is the train, is good.
What time is the train?
Perfect. The answer might be, it's at 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock.
Or, it leaves at 10:30.
10:30.
Don't worry too much about the numbers yet.
Okay.
Just the question is important.
What time is the train?
Yes. You can also ask, when is the next train?
When is the next train?
Exactly. It means you want the soonest one.
The soonest. Got it.
So, you have your ticket,
Yes.
and you know how to ask the time.
What time is the train?
You're doing great, Ava.
Thanks, Andrew.
Ready for the next step?
Yes. I want to go to another city.
Great. So, you have your ticket. Now, you need to know the train time.
Oh, right. When does the train go?
We can ask that easily. The key phrase is, what time is the next train to?
What time is the next train to?
Exactly. Let's say you want to go to Paris. You say, what time is the next train to Paris?
What time is the next train to Paris?
Perfect. Very good.
So, I just say the city name?
Yes. For example, if you want to go to London, you'd say, what time is the next train to London?
What time is the next train to London?
Yes, you've got it.
What if there are many trains?
That's a good question. Next train means the soonest one. The one that leaves soonest.
Ah, I see. The soonest train.
Right. So let's practice. Imagine you are in a station. You want to go to Rome. What do you ask?
What time is the next train to Rome?
Fantastic. You're doing so well.
Thank you. This is helpful.
It is. We'll use this a lot. Now, imagine someone answers you. Right. So you asked about the train time.
Yes. What time is the next train to London?
Good. That's the key phrase.
What time is the next train to London?
Perfect. Now, someone answers you. They might say, the next train is at 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock.
Yes. Or, it's at 3:30.
3:30.
That's right. So, your turn. Ask me about the train to Manchester.
What time is the next train to Manchester?
Okay. The next train is at 4:45.
4:45.
Uh-huh. That's 4:45.
Oh, I see.
Let's try another one. Ask about the train to Brighton.
What time is the next train to Brighton?
It's at 6:15.
6:15.
Yes. That's 6:15.
Okay.
And if they say it's in 10 minutes?
In 10 minutes?
Yes. That means very soon.
Oh, good.
So, you hear a time. You need to understand it. We'll practice more times. Ready for the next part? Right. So Ava, you asked about the train times.
Yeah, Andrew. It's a bit confusing.
I know. Let's look at this.
Okay,
We see numbers like 10:30.
that's 10:30. Easy.
Yes. And then 11:15.
That's 11:15.
Good. And sometimes it's 1400 hours.
Oh, that's 2 o'clock, right?
Exactly. In the afternoon.
I see. So it's 24-hour time.
That's right. We say 1400.
1400.
For example, the train leaves at 1400.
The train leaves at 1400.
Very good.
What about depart and arrive?
Ah, good question. Depart means leave.
Depart means leave.
Yes. And arrive means come.
Arrive means come.
So, the train departs at 10:30.
It leaves at 10:30.
And it arrives at 11 o'clock.
It comes at 11 o'clock.
Perfect. You're understanding it.
So, times and words.
Yes. That's the main thing for now.
Great.
So, Ava, you're on your trip.
Yes. And I bought my ticket.
Fantastic. What did you say?
I said 1 ticket to.
Right. And then your place.
Yes, like 1 ticket to Paris.
Perfect. And you asked about the train.
I asked, what time is the next train to?
Exactly. You're learning so fast.
It's not too hard.
Good. So, we learned about the ticket.
And the train time.
Yes. And the answer too.
The answer?
Like when they say the time.
Oh, I see.
For example, the train leaves at 8.
The train leaves at 8.
So, you know when to go.
That's very helpful.
It is. And we'll practice more.
Good. I like practicing.
So, let's remember.
Okay.
1 ticket to.
1 ticket to.
What time is the next train to?
What time is the next train to?
And the train leaves at.
The train leaves at.
You've got it. So, Ava, you know how to ask for a ticket now.
Yes. 1 ticket to.
Exactly. And you know how to ask for train times.
What time is the next train to?
Perfect. You're learning so fast.
Thank you, Andrew. It's fun.
That's great to hear. We're almost at the end of day 14.
Oh, already? Time flies.
It does. We covered a lot today.
Buying tickets, asking for times.
Yes. And understanding the answers.
It was a busy day.
It was. And you did wonderfully.
I feel more confident now.
That's the goal.
So, what's tomorrow?
Tomorrow is day 15.
What will we learn?
We'll talk about saying goodbye.
Like, goodbye?
Yes, and other ways to say it.
Cool.
And we'll practice a very useful phrase.
I'm ready.
So for today, that's all.
Okay.
It was a pleasure teaching you, Ava.
You too, Andrew.
See you tomorrow. Have a great evening.